Hello, this is What We Stand For, Do Something for Others, the Kids' Book of Citizenship. Written by Anders Hansen, illustrated by Anders Hansen. What is citizenship? Citizenship is being a part of a community. A country is a large community. Every country has its own flag. Different types of people can be citizens of the same community. Cassie is at school. All the students live in the same town. Citizens have rights. Adults have the right to live and work in their country. They have the right to vote. They can run for office too. Citizens also have duties. Adults have many duties. They need to obey laws. They need to pay taxes. They may need to be on a jury. What can you do? How can kids be good citizens? Follow the rules. The rules are there because most people agree on them. Miss Foster's class is at a museum. The guide says one of the rules is to talk quietly. Be respectful. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Jeremy listens to his grandfather. He tells Jeremy what school was like when he was young. Take care of the environment. Angie has a red shovel. She helps her mom plant a tree. Plant trees for cleaner air. Don't waste water or power. Recycle. Be tolerant of others. People may look or act differently than you. Try getting to know them. They won't seem so strange. Help others when you can. Helping other people makes them happy. It also makes you happy. Sean helps his little brother with his bike helmet. What will you do? What is one thing you can do to be a better citizen? Glossary. End of series.